नमस्कार दोस्तों, दीक्षा ऐप पर अवेलेबल निष्ठा कोर्स 8 की आंसर की आज हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं और यहाँ पे हम आपको जो आंसर की देंगे वो ऑल 3 सेट्स की आंसर की होगी। तो इसमें आपको सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट करने में कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। हियर इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। टीचर लीडरशिप डज नॉट इम्प्लाई, तो इसके लिए ऑप्शन होगा ए, कंटिन्यूइंग विथ लेक्चर मेथड एट ऑल टाइम्स। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, विच ऑफ दीज कैन नॉट बी करेक्टराइज्ड एज ए लीडरशिप प्रैक्टिस, तो इसका ऑप्शन सी होगा, मिसमैनेजिंग स्कूल फंक्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द 2 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ सेल्फ फॉर बिकमिंग एन इफेक्टिव लीडर आर, आंसर होगा एन इनिशिएटर एंड ए पॉजिटिव आउटलुक। यहाँ पे देखेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वैल्यू लीडरशिप कंप्राइजेस ऑफ, आंसर इज बिलीफ, वैल्यूज, नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस। अगला क्वेश्चन है, डेवलपिंग सेल्फ फॉर ए स्कूल लीडर्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर, ऑप्शन ए ही इसका करेक्ट आंसर है, इनहेंसिंग सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस विच इक्विप्स वन टू टेक अप चैलेंजेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 प्रोवाइड वेटेज टू बोथ, तो यहाँ पे सेट नंबर 1 का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, आंसर है वोकेशनल एंड एकेडमिक एजुकेशन, ऑप्शन ए ही इसका आंसर होगा। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ दीज इज नॉट ए करेक्ट एटीट्यूड ड्यूरिंग मेंटोरिंग ए टीचर, तो यहाँ पे पहला ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा, क्रिटिसाइजिंग टीचर फॉर लैक ऑफ एबिलिटी टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। Secondary level is an important stage of education because, इसका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट होगा, इट इज़ ए रोडवे फॉर हायर एजुकेशन एंड वर्ल्ड ऑफ वर्क। आफ्टर दैट इट वन, एन इफेक्टिव वे टू डील विथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन इज, तो आंसर होगा यूज इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। After that, next one, leadership for learning does not focus on, तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा delaying taking decision, ऑप्शन बी का आंसर होगा। School developing plan needs to be based on, ऑप्शन नंबर सी, a diagnostic exercise of the school covering all aspects. After that, new one question, what is the full form of SGOC, so option number C is correct, strength, gaps, opportunities and challenges. Next one question of set 1, the objective of professional learning communities is, answer is option C, to share knowledge, skills and experiences in the field. Next one, a leadership for learning does not draw special features from, तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर 1 आंसर होगा ऑटोमेटिक लीडरशिप। नेक्स्ट वन, अ लर्निंग राउंड्स इज मोस्ट हेल्पफुल इन, सो आंसर इज बिल्डिंग टीचर्स कैपेसिटीज फॉर इफेक्टिव ट्रांजेक्शन of learning teaching process. After that, this one, effective leadership at secondary level is aimed at, so answer option number A, developing learner competencies among students. And here is the next question, the central idea of leadership for learning is, so answer is every stakeholder of the school is a continuous and lifelong learner. And then next question, stress management strategy would be based on? So answer is the option number 4, developing human connect. After that, next one is an effective behavioral strategy for conflict resolution is. So answer is the option number C, constructive active. And next question, which one is not a function of an academic supervisor? So the option number D is demotivating teacher and staff. After that, next one question, techniques of academic supervision do not include. So the answer number A is correct, dominating teachers. Here is the next one question, the central ideas of leadership for learning is. So the answer is every stakeholder of the school is a continuous and lifelong learner. This is set number 2. And next question of set number 2 is, one of the most important role of a secondary school leader is to. So the answer is option C, lead continuous professional development of self and teachers. And here is the next question, when a school leader mediates in a conflict situation between teachers, she must ideally. So the answer is problem solve. And next one question, why is school based data important? So the option number C is correct, as a set of evidence to be used for school transformation. And here is the next one question, which of these is not a model of school leadership? So the answer is option number A, negative leadership. And here is the next one question, which of these is not an attribute of a leader by action? So the answer is option B, best attitude. After that, next one question, how do you relate learner outcomes with learning teaching process? So the option C is correct, learner outcomes depend on effective learning teaching process. And next one question, a leadership skill for secondary school leader does not include. So the answer is positive attitude. And then next question, national education policy 2020 provide weightage to both. So this is the option number 2 repeated, that is vocational and academic education. So the option 1 is correct. The overall responsibilities of the school leader is to. The option number B is correct, prepare school development plan and collaboration. Okay, and the next one question is, what is the full form of SGOC? So this is the repetition of this question in the set number 2, that is option B is correct, strength, gaps, opportunities and challenges. And next question is, a transformational leader is one who is a. So the answer is option D, visionary. And next question, the set number 2 is, the objective of professional learning communities is. So the answer is option B, to share knowledge, self and experiences in the field. Next question of the set number 2, vision building is important for. So the answer is setting futuristic direction for transformation of a school. And next question, a secondary school leader need to be a leader by action. This is the answer of this question. Which one is not a function of an academic supervisor? So the answer is demotivating teacher and staff. So this is a repeating question of set number 2. Now next question, values leadership comprises of. Again this is repeated, beliefs, values, knowledges and experience. So this is the answer. Now next question, leadership for learning does not focus on dwelling, taking decision. So this is a repeating question. team in school must not promote? The answer is conflicting situations, that is option B. And then next question in the set number 3, this is the set number 3, and first question is, which of these is not a correct attitude during mentoring a teacher? So the answer is option B, criticizing teacher for lack of ability to solve the problem. Next question, as leadership for learning framework does not include. So the option number B is correct, creating conflict. And now next question, teacher leadership does not imply. So the answer is option C, continuing with the lecture method at all times. And now next question, the two most important attributes of self for becoming an effective leader are. So the answer is option D, an initiator and positive outlook. So this is the repeating of the set number 3 question. Now next one, team in school must not promote. So once again this is repeated question, conflicting situation, option number B is correct. And now next question, learning rounds is most helpful is. So the answer is option D, building teachers capacities for effective transaction for learning teaching process. And next question here is, secondary level is an important stage of education because. So the option number is correct, is it a roadway for higher education and world of work. So this is again repeated question. Now next here is the question, an effective way to deal with conflict resolution is. So answer is A, use effective communication skills. And here is the next question, values leadership comprises of. So again this is a repeating question, option number is correct. Now next one question, school development plan need to be based on. So the answer is a diagnostic exercises of the school covering all aspects. Now here is the next question, techniques of academic supervision do not include. So this is a repeating question, answer is dominating teachers. Now next one question, which one is not a function of an academic supervisor? So this is again repeating question, demotivating teachers and staff. And after that here is next question, which these is not an attribute of a leader by action? So this is a repeating question, answer is biased attitude. And here is next one question, developing self for a school leader is important for. So the answer is enhancing self confidence which equips one to take up challenges. Now next question, how do you relate learner outcomes with a learning teaching process? So the option number B is correct, learner outcomes depend on effective learning teaching process, and this is a repeating question. Now here is the next question, which of these is not a strategy of non-violent communication? So the answer is becoming aggressive. And now here next question, effective leadership at secondary level is aimed at. So this is again repeating question, and answer is developing learner competencies among students. And here is again next question, academic leadership does not include. So this is a repeating question of set 1 and 2, knowledge of rule and regulations. Now here is the next question, what is the full form of SGOC? So this is once again repeating question of set 1 and 2, that is strength, gaps, opportunities and challenges. So thank you so much for getting successful certificate. Thank you once again for watching the video.